Is your laptop driving you crazy? Wi-Fi disconnects out of nowhere, your keyboard stops responding, or, worst of all, your battery dies at the worst moment possible? Sound familiar? Don't panic. Today on Shop Smart Link, I'm revealing the top 5 common laptop hardware issues and more importantly how you can fix them without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Your laptop isn't just a gadget, it's your workhorse, your entertainment hub, and sometimes your lifeline. But when hardware problems strike, they can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, we've got simple fixes for the most common issues. 2. Wi-Fi connectivity issues, first on the list. Wi-Fi that refuses to cooperate. Nothing's more annoying than losing an internet mid-Zoom meeting or during your favorite Netflix binge. Here's how to fix it in 3 quick steps. Restart your router and your laptop. Yes, the classic, turn it off and on, trick still works wonders. Update your network adapter drivers. On Windows, hit Device Manager, find your network adapter, and select Update Driver. If all else fails, reset your network settings. It's like giving your laptop a clean slate for Wi-Fi connections. And here's a pro tip. If your Wi-Fi still stumbles, your internal Wi-Fi card might need replacing, a quick and affordable fix at most repair shops. 3. Keyboard malfunctions. Next up, keyboard issues. Sticky keys, unresponsive buttons, or even the dreaded, keyboard not detected, message. It's a hassle we've all faced. Here's what you can do right now. Clean your keyboard with compressed air to remove dust and crumbs. You'd be shocked at what's hiding under those keys. Reinstall your keyboard driver. On Windows, go to Device Manager and uninstall, then restart your laptop to let it reinstall automatically. Author name. If your keyboard completely fails, consider an external keyboard as a temporary fix while you look into replacements. Display problems. A flickering screen or a blank display can feel like a nightmare, right? Here's how to tackle it head-on. For flickering, check for loose connections inside your laptop, especially if you recently dropped it. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are one of the biggest culprits behind display issues. If the screen is black but you can faintly see images under a flashlight, it's likely a backlight issue. Get it replaced by a professional. And remember, sometimes the simplest fixes, like connecting to an external monitor, can help you figure out if it's a hardware or software problem. 5. Battery and charging issues. Finally, let's talk about battery and charging glitches. Nothing kills productivity faster than a dead laptop when you need it most. Inspect your charger for any frayed wires or damage. A faulty cable is often the easiest thing to fix. Run a battery health check. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type powercfg battery report. This gives you a detailed health report for your battery. If your laptop won't charge at all, your power port might be loose. A quick repair can save you hundreds on a replacement laptop. 6. General advice. Here's the deal. Hardware issues are inevitable, but they don't have to stress you out. With these simple solutions, you'll save time, money, and frustration. Host points to the screen. At channel name, do you have a tech problem we didn't cover today? Drop it in the comments below, I'd love to help. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tech fix from Shop Smart Link. Author name. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay tech savvy.